guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you an install today we've done on a BMW X5 F15. It comes with the original MBT menu. We do the boxes for it sounds like a bit of a song there. We do the boxes for the older version CIC, which is the 70 and the 71, and also we do them for the Evo ones, which is basically a different menu setup. I would advise just checking our sale page to make sure that you get the correct one for the car. If you're unsure, you just get in touch with us and we'll basically take some photos of you, the car, and we'll do our checks and let you know which one you need. Okay, so this is the home page of the original MMI menu. This is obviously classed as the home page for CarPlay and Android Auto, rear camera, USB and all that before you do set it up. Works fully in conjunction with the iDrive pedal here, which as you can see, it's nice and fluid. So these apps here are basically for the CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay and middle link and stuff like that. I've already set it up for the purpose of the video with CarPlay, which as you can see it's already got that icon there, so all I need to do is set it up there, and then as you would see you get the CarPlay functionality. So as I say, these are just applications from your phone here, which you can see your DAB radio app here, Google Maps, Apple Maps, text messages, phone, calendar, etc. Now it won't do anything like YouTube or Netflix, any moving streaming apps, because the CarPlay software doesn't have that capability, but it does anything like music, maps, text messaging apps, anything like that anyway. So it's a good feature to have. If you want a rear camera on the car, you can also go down a route of adding a rear camera, which we have done today. So if you just put it into reverse here, you can see our camera on there, which we've installed, which is a boot handle camera. Simply just put it into neutral and basically it comes back on. So there's not much I can show in terms of what the system's got, guys, because we've got loads of videos on there anyway. But if you're familiar with CarPlay or Android Auto, or you want something for your car like a rear camera or your music, if you need anything like Netflix or YouTube, or you want to start streaming apps and downloading loads of applications like that, then obviously you would need to go for the touchscreen replacement one, which is an Android operating system. These are an Android operating system. They are a sort of like an app relay type system, which takes apps from your phone, so your phone acts as the hub, and these just basically translate from your phone over to here. Put your phone away, and then obviously you got access to all your apps there, minus the ones I've mentioned. Okay, so I'll bring it to an end today, guys, and I hope you liked the video. And if you got any questions, give us a shout. You'll find a product link down below in the description, and if you got any questions, get a shout to us on the contact details down below, and we'll be happy to help. You have a nice day now, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.